You have been hired by Ryung Park, owner of La Vida Mocha Coffee Shop, to modify an existing database that she uses for her business. You create and modify reports so that the outputted data is displayed in a more meaningful and presentable format. You use the Report tool to create an Access report to help Ryung manage her product information. This report is especially useful for determining which products she needs to order to fill upcoming demands. Before printing out the report, you view it in the print preview to make sure it will print out nicely. You notice the report is too wide for the page. One solution when this happens is to change the report from portrait to landscape orientation. You then begin to create a report based on the revenue query to summarize the products Ryung sells. You choose to display the fields that will show when the products were ordered, the price, the revenue, and name of the products. In order to help view sales by city, you also add grouping. By grouping the city, your report will end up with all values for the first city, then all values for the second city, and so on. By sorting by order date, you ensure that within each city, the orders appear from oldest to newest. The summary options allow you to show overall statistics. By choosing the average for the price field, the resulting output will show the average price for each city as well as an overall average. After providing a more meaningful name to the report, you preview the results. Ryung does not have Access installed on her home computer, but would like to have a portable copy of the report saved so that she can open for review at home. You save a copy of the report for her as a PDF file. Windows will open the report in your system's PDF viewer, which may be Adobe Reader or the Windows 10 Reader app, available as free downloads from the Internet. Ryung realized the products table is missing a field. You modify the products table and add the on-hand field to the table design, then add data in Datasheet View. Next, you need to update the product's report to reflect the new field. You choose the new on-hand field from the field list and add it to the report. Because of the tabular layout control, Access adjusts all the columns to make room for the new on-hand field. You have been instructed to make sure the report fits nicely onto one landscape page. As it stands, you will need to make additional changes in order to get the report to fit onto one page. You will also resize other fields as necessary. The brand column can be resized as well to help shrink the width of the report. The year introduced column is not needed, so you remove it from the report. The heading Refrigeration Needed takes up a lot of room for such a small field, so it makes sense to change the heading to something descriptive yet shorter, and then reduce the column width. Ryung has also asked that you give her copies of the report using different formatting options. By applying a theme, font and color scheme change. You save the report with the organic theme. Now you apply the retrospect theme to the report and save it with a different name. This way, you can show Ryung a few options and allow her to choose the one she likes. Ryung would like the products report to be sorted by brand order rather than product ID order. You change the sort order and preview the report again to see the results. The report is now sorted by brand and ascending order with discount on top. After grouping is added, the left column shows the name of the brand followed by a list of all products of that brand. By adding grouping, it organizes the report a little differently. You can see it allows you to quickly view information by the brand rather than mixing all the brands together. The reason to create reports is to organize information for output purposes. You can create reports using several different methods: add fields to a report, change field widths, apply themes, and group and sort records to help better organize reports.